nights that you spent with me, missing your ghost. I should have thought it over before I let you go. I hate